Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back. Today we will practice using trigonometric identities in definite integrals. So stay with me until the end of the video. Number 1, the integral of x plus x cosine squared x dx plus the integral of x plus x sine squared x dx from 0 to pi. Let's use combine the two integrals, means the integral of 0 to pi over 2 x plus x cosine squared x plus x sine squared x dx. Now simplify inside the bracket. We have the integral of 0 to pi over 2. X plus x is 2x plus x cosine squared x plus x sine squared of x, means x times cosine squared x plus sine squared x dx. Right? And as you know, cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. So the integral becomes the integral of 0 to pi over 2, 2x plus x dx, or 3x dx. And as you know, the integral of 3x dx equals 3 over 2 x squared, right? From 0 to pi over 2. Now evaluate. When x equals pi over 2, we have 3 over 2 times pi squared over 4 minus when x equals 0 is 0. So the final answer is 3 pi squared over 8. Number 2, the integral of sine of x times cosine cubed x minus sine cubed x times cosine of x dx. First factor out sine of x, cosine of x, means sine of x times cosine of x times cosine squared x minus sine squared x. And as you know, sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine of theta times cosine of theta, right? And cosine of 2 theta equals cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, right? So we have the integral of 0 to pi over 8 times sine of x times cosine of x according to this formula is 1/2 sine of 2 theta, means 1/2 sine of 2x times cosine squared x minus sine squared x according to this formula is cosine of 2x dx. So we have the integral of 0 to pi over 8 equals, as you know, sine 2x times cosine 2x according to this formula is, we have 1/2 times sine of 2x times cosine of 2x equals 1/2 sine of 4x dx. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1 over 4, the integral of sine of 4x dx from 0 to pi over 8, right? And as you know, 1 over 4 times, as you know, the integral of sine of 4x is negative 1 over 4 cosine of 4x, right? So we have negative 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 is 1 over 16 times cosine of 4x from 0 to pi over 8. So final answer is negative 1 over 16 times cosine of 4 times pi over 8 is pi over 2. So cosine of pi over 2 is 0 minus cosine of 0 is 1. So final answer is positive 1 over 16.